hot.
Right through it, right through it.
Those are like the public ghost peppers. So you gotta eat them all? Yeah, the chips too.
Can you move that?
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, they gotta wear those rubber gloves on their hand. That's crazy. This is like man versus food type deal.
It's progressive. Beginning of every year, it starts back over to 3.
Oh, okay.
So it's up to 8 right now. So he's doing 9. We're trying.
Yeah. What? No, they do. Like, it's started, it's progressive. They start every year. So 3, 6 minutes, and now they're up to 9. He's trying to do 9.
I mean, one guy's never done more than 8.
What's CWT?
He did 12.
He did 12.
Yeah, that Jimmy Dooley guy. The blacks are for the winner of the year. He did it 2 times.
He's not even sweating yet. I'm sweating just watching.
It's hot.
Oh, it's hot. Don't think I'm acting like it's cool.
Too. He's had one down too. 2. 3.
Come on, Shane, you can do it.
Because you're not allowed to try it.
You have to sign a waiver.
Yeah, you have to sign a
It's been 2 minutes.
Yeah, if you're underage.
Crazy.
The hospital just down the street.
They look good.
Actually, the sauce is really good. There's just so much of it on there that it overwhelms you.
I mean, just that little slider hamburger.
Ghost pepper, like a sauce that we make with ghost pepper.
What is it? Habanero?
It's mostly ghost pepper.
I've heard about it. I've never.
Ghost pepper's like 30 times hotter than habanero.
That's okay. That's that little tiny one, right? Is that? Or no? There's a little tiny one these guys are saying is really. Huh.
Habaneros are the ones that are like.
I know those.
Like
I eat them.
grapes,
Yeah.
The ones that ghost pepper like little tiny like kind of sliver kind of.
Yeah. I remember reading that on the scale. You're right. Yeah. That's cool. Good luck, man.
We got 15 minutes left. Definitely on pace right now.
Jack put jalapenos on it too.
Jalapenos cool it off.
Those are like candy. Yeah. Those are nothing.
Can you smell it? Smell it here?
We got 2.
You ate your 2?
Doing 9.
That's 4 minutes.
It starts out 3, 4, and 5.
Each year it starts over. Whoever has the most at the end of the year gets the plaque on the side.
Oh, I wish they would have told me that before I ordered it. I would have come back next year.
January.
I know, like if you look on the calendar, everybody, the first 4 of them are all in January, the first week of January.
Well, I've had 4.
5 more to go.
About halfway there. Yeah, some people take one bite and just stop. The key is knowing if you can't do it, don't do it. Don't go too far, man, because you will get
That's it.